Oh, what is this?
What's that?
Oh, eggs. What color is this?
Red, pink, purple, green, yellow, blue.
Oh, meron siyang nasa loob. Buksan natin, i-crack mo yung ano ha.
Yes.
Sabihin mo, knock-knock ka mo ha.
Okay.
Okay po, okay game. Crack mo na yung red. Knock-knock ka.
Knock, knock.
Buksan mo dali. Buksan mo. Tanggalin mo, tanggalin mo. Oh, tanggalin mo. Ah! Wow!
Art.
Asan heart? O, asan yung heart dito? Hanapin mo nga yung heart. Very good. Galing nga. Oh, next. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Buksan mo na. Crack mo na. Crack it. Crack it. Ah!
Square.
Square. I-paste mo kaya yan para mas maganda. Oh. Paste mo. Paste. Para hindi nawawala.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Paste mo yan.
Okay.
Paste. O, go. Paste mo yung heart. What shape is that?
Heart.
Go. Put it na. Huwag masyadong madami. Kunti lang. Okay na yan. Put mo na yan.
Okay.
Lagay mo dito pag ano. Put mo na. Yehey! Oh, anong shape ito?
Square.
O, asan yung square dito? Asan yung square? Very good. Oh, paste mo nga. Konti lang para hindi magastos.
Ooh.
Very good. Put mo.
Okay.
Careful sa paste. Very good. Next. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Tingnan mo na. Crack mo na yung egg. Ah!
It's a circle.
Yes, circle. Asan yung circle dyan? Very good. O, i-paste mo nga.
Okay.
Diba, mas maganda pag ipipaste. Matututo ka pang mag-paste ng object.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, careful. Dahan-dahan po. Very good. Sinisinok ka? O, go.
And green.
Crack mo na yung egg.
Knock, knock.
Oh,
So what?
what is that?
A rectangle.
Nakalimutan na niya. What shape is that?
A rectangle.
No, rectangle is this one. Oh.
Oh. Is it green one?
Wow. Anong tong shape na to?
Rectangle.
Nakalimutan na niya. Anong shape yan?
Rectangle.
Rectangle to eh.
Triangle.
Yes. Akala ko nakalimutan.
Triangle.
Yes. Put mo na. Paste mo na siya.
Okay.
Akala ko nakalimutan mo na naman sa tagal nating hindi nag-shape eh.
No.
Konti lang kasi.
Atara.
Very good. Oh, baliktad. It's not right. It's not right. Pag ganun. Pag ganun. Yan. Yan. Oh, crack mo na yung isang egg.
Oh, it's yellow.
Yes.
Knock.
Crack mo na. Yes. What shape is that?
Oval.
Oval. Asan yung oval? Yan. Oh,
We screwed it again.
yeah, of course. Paste mo ulit.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you love eggs?
Yeah.
Yes. Anong kinain mo kanina?
Eggs.
Eggs ba yung kinain mo? Oo nga, no? Egg pala yung kinain mo. Si Kabi nagpi-play. Knock mo yung egg.
Knock.
Crack mo. Wow! Rectangle. Anong shape nga ulit ito?
Rectangle.
Oh, nakalimutan na naman.
Triangle.
Yes! Ba't mo nakakalimutan lagi yung triangle? Kailangan mo pang isipin. Play si Kabi. Play yung cut mo, no?
Oh no. Okay.
Yay! Review tayo. Anong shape ito?
Heart. Square. Square.
Oh, di na nyo alam.
Rectangle.
Rectangle yan eh.
Oval.
Oval.
Oval. Rectangle. Triangle.
Yes! Very good! Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.